begins, V'eschana el Hashem bo'esahi lemor. What's bo'esahi? I supplicated Hashem at that moment, saying, which moment he's referring to? So over here, the Ramban explains that, take a look in the Ramban, Remez leis hagzer shizkir, gam bi hisanif Hashem. He's referring back to the moment that he said to Klaus, Hashem was enraged with me. Lo nizku shama atchina biyom hamaseh. This is when he struck the rock, he spoke. Hashem was upset with me also when he struck the rock and said, I'm not going into the land. Hanocha ki beisahi, beisan isker shekavashi sichum v'ov dischalti lilochem ba'amim. He says, at that moment when I conquered Sichon and Og, and I began the conquest or the war against nations in Israel, and I divided the land between the two tribes. What did Hashem say to Moshe on the Transjordan side? He should ascend Har HaVorim and should look from there to see the land. When he ascended Har HaVorim to see the land, this is when he made the supplication. And at that moment, when Hashem did not accept his tefillah, that's when he prayed that Hashem should appoint something, a qualified successor, and that's when he was told to choose Yoshua, that Yoshua ben Nun will be a successor. Chol boser ish al ha'edo koshen nizkashom v'zeu v'tzavas Yoshua. Aval hizkishom ha'tfilah shenel oleo neno oleo. Over there it only mentions the tefillah that he was what? That Hashem did respond. He had made a supplication. When he heard he's not going in and his tefillah is rejected, he prayed that Hashem should appoint an appropriate successor. Kan hizkiz elodia. So why is he mentioning it? If he already prayed earlier, why is he mentioning over here V'eschan el Hashem? This is the Ramban. V'kan hizkiz elodia ki oretz hois chaviva olav ma'od. Because he wanted to share with them to what degree, how valuable and how beloved the land was to him. V'lo zocha eleh ba'avuram. And the reason why he didn't merit, despite the fact how much he wanted to go there and how beloved it was, he did not go because of them. Because of their failing, he did not go. Chosem into chosav. And this is all part of the rebuke. He had prayed when he went up to Har HaVorim to see the land. And he prayed then, Hashem says, you're not going. He's only mentioning it now because this is part of the rebuke and the admonishment that although he loved the land and therefore he prayed at this unceasing level, nevertheless, Hashem says, you're not going in. And why am I not going in? So Moshe Rabbeinu, this is part of the rebuke, is because you people. Now, the way we explained it yesterday, it's not only because he hit the rock. Now, why did he hit the rock? You know, Hashem could have not given him that challenge, and he would have gone in. Why did Hashem give him the challenge to hit the rock, and he knew he would fail, and for that reason he's not going in? Because Klal Yisrael were not worthy. Because Klal Yisrael were not worthy to go into the land with him, because as we said, if he would have gone in, the Beis HaMikdash would have been built, it would have been eternal. And then if they would have failed, they would have to be destroyed because the Beis HaMikdash cannot be taken as collateral. So therefore, ultimately, this is the rebuke. Why was my tefillah originally rejected when I supplicated him 515 times? Because, and as much as I love the land, you people, because you people, all these many moments, you failed continuously, therefore that was only an indication that you meant to fail again, and since you meant to fail again, and ultimately, the Beis HaMikdash has to be taken as collateral, therefore I was denied entry into the land for that reason.
Rabbi,
Yes.